The first question is, what type of music did the 1977 film Saturday Night Fever help to popularize? The correct answer is A, disco. Question 2. Phil Collins was chosen to be a drummer for which British rock band in 1970? The correct answer is B, Genesis. Question 3. How did the Eagles complete the lyric, "You can't hide your"? The correct answer is D, lionize. Question 4. Stevie Wonder had which of these hit singles in 1973? The correct answer is Superstition. Question 5. What line follows "Ever since I was a young boy" in The Who's Pinball Wizard? The correct answer is A, I played the silver ball. Question 6. Which instrument does Jimmy Page play? The correct answer is B, guitar. Question 7. What month was the title of an Earth, Wind, and Fire hit? The correct answer is C, September. Question 8. What type of rock was 70s UK band The Sweet known for? The correct answer is B, glam rock. Question 9. What did Deep Purple guitarist Tommy Bolin die of in 1976? The correct answer is A, drug overdose. And the last question is, which of these famous rockers did not die in 1970? The correct answer is B, John Lennon. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.